back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. Today I'm going to be doing a plan with me and my Hobonichi for the week of December the 7th to the 13th. I'm going to be using this stunning kit from Simply Beautiful Plans. You know she's one of my favorite shops. Look at this bottom washi, isn't it pretty? I've got it in gold foil. Here's the second page, the second set of washi, and a box that says Merry and Bright, and the one with the coffee cup. And then, as usual, the page for the right side page, there's some headers, and then here's some deco. She's always got really great deco. So I'm going to be pairing that as well with my gold foil. I'm just going to take a second and show you my freebie for the shop. My code is JODICAKE, Jodicake, and that gives you 15% off. If you put Jody in notes, you'll receive this gold foiled freebie. So let's go ahead and get started. I'll lay down the bottom washi, and I don't know which one to use. Maybe this one with all the fancy stuff. I should bring it a little bit closer. Get that laid down. It is Sunday, currently, Sunday afternoon. I have spent the day on the phone with my mother and my son. Major marathon phone calls discussing Christmas and other stuff like that. Okay, now I've got it down. So I've basically done that and laundry all day today. Haven't done too much else. Okay, that's down. And get the top down. Oops, I'm out of screen. Get the top down. Have you started using Christmas kits yet? I'm glad buffalo plaid is still a thing. A lot of shops have come out with some stuff. The only one I've had this year is the one from Simply Beautiful Plans, which is this one. Let me put the date strip in. I don't know if you can hear Gidget. She's over here sneezing beside me. She's my silly girl, walking around in the sunshine. She was driving me nuts this morning to get outside and play, so I had to put my coat on and take her out. She loves to run around outside. I'm going to put usual my boxes, and I'm going to put them down the side here where I'm going to track my meals. So I'm finally finished my Christmas shopping. I'm glad that's all done. I didn't go overboard this year, which was something new. Usually I go a little bananas. But this year it's not so much, seeing as I have to ship it down to the house, or the houses. I've just got a few things. Have you done yours? My mom was telling me she was in the mall the other day and it was just packed. They were actually lined up to try and get inside the mall. So I think COVID has got everybody with the Christmas spirit trying to make some sort of happy in their lives, which would be nice. I can't believe how many people in town have got lights and decorations up. Weren't able to do the parade this year in town because of restrictions, but they did what they called a reverse parade, where they put all of the people who would do floats and stuff, did displays in the local park for a drive-through. So all the lights and displays, and Santa Claus there waving at the kids. You know, they couldn't. Jeez, I dropped this. You couldn't go sit on his lap, but he could wave. They could wave at him. It's cool because with us in a small town, on Christmas Eve, the firefighters go around with the fire trucks, and Santa is in a little ATV, and he drives around and wishes everybody Merry Christmas. It's really fun to watch. The kids come out on the porch and they get all excited. I'm going to put the checklist down. I got really behind on my planning. Clearly my mouth's not going to work today. I've either had not enough coffee or too much coffee. I've gotten behind on my planning and my vertical planners. I've laid the kits down, but I haven't actually been marking what I've been doing day to day, so I have to get caught up on that. I had a little bit of a hard time getting that one off the sheet, which is all me. Nothing to do with the cut. Amy does beautiful cuts on all of her kits. Oops. Now that I've said that, I'm going to have one sticker that doesn't want to come off. Gosh darn it all. Okay, we'll use the one beside it instead. Get that put in. It's been a bit of a quiet week here. I've been uber lazy. Haven't done way near as much stuff as I should have been doing. I'm going to use this big box, the Merry and Bright box, for my theme box this week. As usual, I put it in the top. I'm going to take some of the headers. I'm going to use the to-do one for the things that I need to do. No, actually, I'll do it this week one. This week and then next week. Let's see if I can get them down straight. So we had a big snowstorm here on Tuesday. We got quite a bit. Had to shovel a few times. Today it's almost gone. We've got green grass again, so that's nice. For me and my thoughts, it was a little too early to get a bunch of snow. Usually I don't like any of it, but I mean, I'll take a little bit, I guess. Okay, so I'm going to put some of the deco down. I don't know if it's just me or the cuts are too deep. I can't get any of it up. Oh, darn it. I think the cuts are all too deep, so I won't. Oh, there we go. We got the boots off. Very odd. Like I said, Amy's kits are usually cut perfectly. Not this time. Looks like I'm not going to be able to use too much of this deco. Put a Christmas gift up here. Okay, so let's get into the day-to-day planning. As usual, I'm going to be using my Winterfield Studios stickers because they're perfect for this size of planner. These are hand-drawn. I'm using the coffee cup for Coffee Monday. And Monday I need to go to the post office because I know I have a package waiting there that was supposed to be delivered to my house on Friday, and they did not come, even though they said they did. I'm going to put a book down from Winterfield Studios as well because I need to pick up some library books and return another one. And Thursday I'm going to do groceries as usual, so I'm going to use one of my script stickers from Winterfield Studios. And Friday is garbage day, so as usual I'm going to use my little cleaning icon sheet from Winterfield Studios and put the garbage bag or garbage pail down. And Sunday I do the laundry, so I'm going to put the wash machine down. Sunday as well, you know I call my mom, so I'm going to use one of the hand-drawn telephones from Winterfield Studios. As I said, I had marathon phone calls today. Tuesday I want to do some baking, so I'm going to use one of these baking icons from Pink Polka Dot Lily. I also have a code for her below. And I think I'm going to use the stove. It is so cute. So I'm going to put that down on Tuesday. And at some point during the week I'll use my reed scripts from Winterfield Studios as well. They're nice and dainty for the size of the planner here. And I have TVs for when I mark my Christmas shows because I've been watching them every day. And I have my computers, and I'm going to use one of those on Monday because my PGU sale, Planner Girls United sale, the giveaway, the loop giveaway, starts on Instagram on Monday at 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and it will run until Thursday. And then Friday I will select the winner. So I'm going to put another one on Friday. If I can get one off the sheet. There we go. So I'll put one on Friday as well. And so that is it. That is my spread for the week. It is so pretty and lots of gold foil. Again, the kit is from Simply Beautiful Plans. You can use my code JODYCAKE for 15% off. The other shops that I've used for my icons are down below as well. You can find the codes there. Thank you very much for coming to visit. I enjoy speaking with you every week, and I'm so happy that you come and watch my videos. So have yourself a great day, and we'll see you next time.